Welcome back to the Fun Family Day channel. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the CRICUT mug press. Right now I am printing my design for the mug. My mug is all wrapped and ready to go into the machine. I have one suggestion: when you're cutting your design, make sure you add more pressure or it will not cut properly. What you want to do is insert your mug right into the machine and make sure everything's covered. And when it's all ready and set to go, just go ahead and press the handle down. And it takes approximately 6 minutes for your mug to be finished. When it's all done, it will beep to alert you. And okay, it is now beeping. It's all set and ready to come out. So what you want to do is open it. And then you want to take your mug out. And then set your mug on a cooling plate between 15 to 30 minutes until your cup cools. And as soon as it's cool, I will show you the design. Well, there it is. I peeled it off and there's the finished mug. And I have one more mug to reveal. There you have it. There's both mugs. And it's so much fun to make once you start. And it's fun for the whole family. Well, thanks for watching.